In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to back up and restore your save data for games that don't support the backup cloud service, such as the Pokemon games and Splatoon 2, so you can continue where you left off as some of your game progress. Now, recently, when I checked the save data cloud for Pokemon Legends EA, I figured that the game didn't support the cloud backup service, which is why I'm making this video, just to show you guys how I did all this. Now, for this to work, you will need a modded Switch, which I won't explain any further how to mod it, so go check out the tutorial about how to mod your Switch, link in the description, then come back to this video. And you will also need JKSV, which is a homebrew app for the Switch that allows you to back up and restore your save files, which is essential for games that don't support the save data cloud backup service. Now, I will start with Pokemon Legends EA, so if you already have your save data on your Switch 2, we're gonna start the transfer process to Switch 1. But if you already have the save data for your Switch 1, skip this part of the video and I'll show you what to do next. But let's just say that you have existing save data for Pokemon Legends EA on your Switch 2. So go to System Settings, then Data Management, then click on Transfer your save data. We are sending save data to another console. When asked to which system you want to send the data to, we're gonna select Nintendo Switch. And in my case, we're gonna select Pokemon Legends EA. Now take out your modded Switch, which is the target console, and transfer in your save data, then select Receive Save Data. Oh right, it requires me to update in order to start the transfer process, so be right back.
Later.
Also, one more thing, make sure you remove the emu MMC and default files if you have them, since that would block online access. Okay, so we're back. I recently updated my modded Switch to version 20.5.0. So make sure the consoles are close to each other. Now it's been transferred. Okay, now we are going to test to see if my save data is there on my Switch 1. Yep, it's actually there. Now, this is the part where we're going to back up our save data. So we're at the homebrew menu now, and scroll until you see JKSV. It's gonna load, so wait patiently. Now select your user, scroll down until you see Pokemon Legends EA, click on it, select new backup. Now my backup is there, so we're gonna exit out of JKSV. And now, we're gonna transfer our save data back to our Switch 2. And since this is our source console, select Send Data to another console. Make sure to select the right user. Then select Pokemon Legends EA, since that's the save data we're transferring back to our Switch 2. Now take out your Switch 2, and since this is now our target console, we're gonna select Receive Save Data. And once again, make sure the consoles are close to each other during the transfer process, and wait until it's done. Alright, now it's done. Okay, now let's check to see if my save data on my Switch 2 is there. So, go to your game. And it's there! There we go! Now, since we transferred our save data from our Switch 1 back to our Switch 2, we're gonna go to the homebrew menu, select JKSV. Takes about a minute and a half to load up. Okay, so since our Legends EA game isn't there, due to transferring the save data back to our Switch 2, what we're gonna do is press X to go to User Options, create save data, scroll down until you see Pokemon Legends EA, click on it, and now it's back. Now, we're going to select our user, select Pokemon Legends EA, and this is the backup we created, so press Y to restore your save data. Select Yes. There we go, now it's done. Now we gotta test out to see if my Pokemon Legends EA save data is there on my modded Switch. It's there, y'all! We did it! Now, if you want to transfer your save data to, let's say another Switch, in my case, we're transferring to another Switch 1, it's the same process like what we did for the Switch 2. So, this is my primary Switch, which is not used for modding. Now, since this Switch, the one with blue and red Joy-Cons, is our target console, this time, we're gonna select Receive Save Data. Now, for the modded Switch, the one with purple and orange Joy-Cons, this is the source console, so we're gonna select Send Data to another console. Then select Pokemon Legends ZA, since again, that's the save data we're gonna transfer. Oh yeah, if it says that message, don't worry, just click search again. And once again, make sure they're close to each other. Now the save data has been transferred to the unmodded Switch 1. Now let's test our game to see if our save data is there. Once again, it works! Alright, so back to our modded Switch. Go back to JKSV. And once again, you'll notice that Legend ZA is once again missing. But that's okay. We can still bring it back by hovering over to our user, create save data, and then select Pokemon Legends ZA. Now the game is back again. Now select Pokemon Legends ZA, and assuming you didn't delete it, just select the same backup, and press Y to restore. Now it's done. Now once again, let's test our game to see if the save data didn't go anywhere. It's there again! We did it once again! So that's basically how you back up and restore your save data for Switch 1 and 2 games that don't support cloud backup. If you guys did enjoy this video and found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe since that would be well appreciated. And hope you enjoy continue on with your save data for your game. And if you happen to make significant progress, just rewatch the video and just do the same process again. With that, I'll see you guys in the next one.